In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Circle.so works. A full review in Spanish. Let's start by opening Circle.so and looking at what the platform is meant to do. Circle is designed to bring your community, courses, content, events, and monetization tools together in one platform. In other words, instead of using separate tools for memberships, payments, email, websites, and engagement, Circle combines communities, courses, events, live streams, memberships, payments, website building, email marketing, analytics, and AI tools in one place. Once you log in, you can enter an existing community or create a new one. On the main dashboard, the navigation is usually organized around key areas like spaces, members, courses, events, discussions, and settings. One important concept in Circle is spaces. Spaces are how content is organized, and each one can serve a different purpose. As we explore the dashboard, you'll notice that the community area is where members interact. Spaces can be used for discussions, courses, events, chat, or member directories. The members section helps you manage and discover people in the community, while analytics gives you a way to monitor performance and engagement. Next, open a discussion space. Here you can create a post, add images or other media, allow members to comment, start conversations, and interact directly with the community. That's one of Circle's main strengths. It's built around engagement, not just content delivery. It also includes messaging, member profiles, directories, events, and gamification features. Now go into the members area, show the directory, open a member profile, and explain the kind of information members can display. This helps viewers understand that Circle supports networking and discovery within the community. After that, open a course space, show the course dashboard, then the curriculum with its sections and lessons. Open a lesson and demonstrate how course content can include videos, text, images, documents, and embedded content. Circle supports self-paced, structured, and scheduled courses, and these can be combined with discussions, live coaching, and events. Then head to the events section. Open or create an event and review the event details. Explain that creators can use this area for webinars, workshops, Q&A sessions, coaching, and community meetups. Circle also includes live streams and live rooms, although limits depend on the plan. For monetization, open paywalls and show how to create a paid offer. Explain the pricing models, including one-time payments and recurring subscriptions, such as monthly, quarterly, and annual billing. Payments are integrated through Stripe, and it's important to mention that Circle charges its own transaction fee in addition to Stripe's processing fees. Next, show the website builder. Circle can be used to create landing pages, sales pages, website pages, and pages connected to courses or memberships. From there, go into customization